In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. The first step I will recommend to update your GPU driver. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or NVIDIA app or AMD software for AMD users. Go to Drivers tab, check for available updates and install the latest driver. Then see whether the issue is fixed or not. If it's not, press Windows plus I button to open settings. Navigate to Update and Security. Then go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Then check whether the issue is fixed. If it's not, right-click on the Valorant application, select Properties, go to Compatibility tab, check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. See whether the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, open the Start menu and search for CMD and run as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. sc space delete space vgc. Close command prompt and restart your PC. And check whether the issue is resolved. Then navigate to Riot Vanguard folder on C drive program files. Then right-click on it and select Delete. Now open the Riot client and install Riot Vanguard. Update Valorant if an update is available. Finally, just restart your PC and launch Valorant. Your game should now load without any issues. That's it. Now you know how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.